we are pleased to show you the 2014 Ford Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.